Bears are animals that can be found in almost all regions of the world. However, not all bears are the same. Therefore, bears are divided into several different types. The differences can be seen from the physical characteristics to the habits they do. This time, friends will be introduced to one type of bear, namely the American black bear. As the name implies, this type of bear lives in the American region, precisely in North America. As previously mentioned, the American black bear is the smallest type of bear in its region.